Here comes the video of Children's Paradise Metric Higher Secondary School Mega Birthday Celebration of Teachers. First comes Mrs. S. Gayatri, whose birthday falls on 26th of August. She is the one and only Hindi teacher of our school. She is always creative in online classes. Her offline classes are also innovative and informative. She is a soft-natured lady. She moves like a snail but works like a cheetah. She possesses sweet voice, mesmerizes everyone with her singing talent. She is a humble and polite in nature, a great helper of Children's Paradise Metric Higher Secondary School. Happy birthday to you, ma'am. Next comes Mrs. M. Vijayalakshmi, teacher of physics. Her birthday falls on September 4. She is a humble and soft-spoken person. She never scolds her students, never says to any work allotted to her. Very helpful and kind-hearted personality. As her name stands for victory, we wish her victory and success in all her endeavors. Happy birthday to you, ma'am. Next comes our all-in-all of CPMHSS, Mr. K. Gopinath, the teacher of Maths, whose birthday falls on 14th of September. A calculative mathematician, an energetic, efficient and ever-smiling personality. He seems to be cool and thought-processive at all times. His sincerity and dedication towards CPMHSS is an everlasting one, as it goes 24/7 in all 365 days. His family self-participation in cultural events during lockdown seems to be very supportive and helpful. He is ready to help any teachers in and around CPMHSS without hesitation. A great technical supporter, his official knowledge and high talents claims his presence in Tiruvallur CEO office. He is really a precious and most valuable gem of CPMHSS. In short, he is a simple, elegant and a powerful man. Happy birthday, sir. Next comes the teacher of English, Mr. M. Kamalakannan, whose birthday falls on 17th of September. He is an young and energetic teacher of English. He is very helpful and supportive in English Expo held in our school. His sense of humor is very great. He works very hard for making the props for English plays. He always finds an innovative and easy method to teach grammar to students. He is very friendly with everyone, a very cooperative and adjustable person in teamwork. He is fondly called as a fault detector of English department. Next comes the teacher of English, Mrs. R. Jeevita, whose birthday falls on 20th September. She has an optimistic energy. She always pays heed to her seniors and follow their guidelines to the core. She is a very friendly and caring person to the students. Her part and participation in Christmas celebration is immense. She motivates and applauds students to take part in all the cultural events. Happy birthday, ma'am. Next comes the teacher of Tamil, Mrs. S. Durga Devi. Her birthday falls on 26th September. Her online and offline classes are creative. She is an ever-smiling and cool-hearted personality. She takes up all the works allotted to her with a wholeheartedness, never finds any hesitation to clarify her doubts with the seniors. Her personal and physical care is less important when it comes to the welfare of students' education. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your support. Happy birthday to you, ma'am. Next comes birthday celebrity of 1st October, Mr. V. Silvakumar, a teacher of commerce cum accounts. He is a strategic planner of producing centums every year in board exams. His brain works faster than a calculator, very humble and subtle in nature. He motivates the average and below average students in academics. He gives them the hope and shows them the ability of scoring high marks. His approach and guidance to toppers is highly remarkable. Thank you for your support, sir, and happy birthday to you. I wish everyone to be stay blessed on your wonderful birthdays. Thank you.